see you again on another interesting video. Today we came to Mayfield Park, located in Boston. It's a beautiful place where we can see a lot of peacocks. Me and my dad came here along with our friends. Come on friends, let's go.
Let's go.
I have given the address of Mayfield Park in the description below. Please feel free to check it out. The park has good parking space too. Once we get into the park, we can see beautiful ponds and colorful fishes. We spent some time at the pond watching those fishes. I just noticed that there's a peacock dance behind me. Wow, it's so beautiful. The dance continued for a minute and so many people enjoyed it. The park also has a lot of beautiful trees. We also saw colorful flowers. I think they're tulips. We saw another peacock resting between the tulips. We don't want to disturb it, so we stayed away. After spending some time here, we started to trail. The park has different trails. We chose the bell trail. As you can see, there's a bell at the entrance. I tried to see if I can touch this and I did it. Bell trail was not that tough. Kids can do it. While we were on trail, we lost the route once, so it's good to have a map. Luckily, my dad's friend was able to help and we got us back on track. The entire trail was scenic. We also saw a couple of creeks on this trail. After walking for some time, we found a beautiful spot with stairs. We climbed it and took some photos on that spot. The creek had less water and was easy to cross. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel, share with friends, and also press the bell icon. I'll see you guys again. Bye!